Pepper. I'll be back. Can you stay here? Chill out, Girl Scout. Alright, we are going to be working on the Skyline. Going to be in the garage. It's cold out. Tyler had left the body shop and got everything pulled out as much as we could with the frame rack, or what we needed to with the frame rack. Anyway, this is where we're at now. Retaining okay shape. Got to get this taillight out, as well as the skirt. Already in the air for everything. Probably going to be doing some maintenance as well. I want to do the oil change, nut and bolt check while I'm under it. You know, other things like that. Important stuff. That's nasty. Alright, it's bedtime. I got work in the morning. Talk to you guys tomorrow. I'll continue. Hello. Me and Tyler already started. We forgot to film most of it. We've already been out here for like an hour, but how's it going? Yo! So it's not bad. We did some hammer and dollying. It gets you some brightness here, guys. And it's all pretty hard to see, of course, because it's on camera. But we've got some body lines back just a little bit. It's a process. We're getting there. I'm gonna put you on a time lapse, and that's how I'm gonna film it.
I get this far.
So that was all filmed back in January and February and stuff. It's actually now April. Uh, I have already put the car back together and started drifting. It's not quite repaired, but it's getting there. I'll come back to it and make it better, but this is where I ended up with it. It's not too bad, but I mean, like I said, I've been driving, so here's a clip of me driving yesterday.